thing about this is I didn't even really work the first week of the month. And so I said, you know what, like by September 6th or 7th, that was when I'm like, okay, I probably should work. I think I had made like 3 grand without working, without really working, because automations are still working for you, right? And so I said, okay, well, if I hit 20 grand, so technically in 19 days, I hit 20 grand just in September. Y'all, the process worked, the blueprint worked. And so if you are sitting there and you are just like, okay, I like the sound of this, but I'm skeptical because I've tried other work from home things, there is nothing like this. This is a unicorn. You have like 5-star, 10-star training from 6 and 7 figure income earners teaching you how to make 6 and 7 figure incomes. If you are coachable, consistent, and you can plug in for 2 hours a day, you can do this.